As I read the problem, I will write an equation. The load that can be supported by a rectangular beam varies. So when I see the word varies, it's usually when I'll write an equal sign. So load, L for load, equals, varies jointly. Jointly means you're going to have two things multiplied together, always multiplied. Varies jointly as the width of the beam, and the square of its height squared. And you'll always have a constant K. And then it goes on to say, and inversely means divided by, and inversely as the length of the beam. So I'm going to put a lowercase l. So jointly means you're going to have a couple things multiplied together. Directly also means multiplied, constant times whatever was directly, whatever the relationship was. And then inversely is multiplication. And your first step is always to find the value of K and then answer the question. So a beam 12 inches long, well that's length. A beam 12 inches long with a width of 4 and a height of 6, and put your K there, has a load of 900 pounds. So you see how I can find the value of K now? So clear your fractions by multiplying both sides by 12. So 900 times 12 is 10,800 equals K times 4 times 36, which is 10,800 equal 36 times 4 is 144. And then divide both sides by 144. And I don't believe that's going to go in evenly. It does. I was wrong. 75 equals K. So now take K and plug it back in your equation that you wrote. So load equals 75 times W times height squared all over the length of the board. And now let's answer the question. If a similar board has a width of 9, so that's 75 times 9, and a height of 5 inches, so that's going to be 5 squared, how long must it be to support 1,200 pounds? Well, the 1,200 is the load. And we're trying to figure out how long, that's the length, so we're trying to find L. Multiply both sides by L. I get 1,200 L equals, that's this, I'm going to multiply, use my calculator, 75 times 9 times 5 squared, which is 25. And that gives me 16,875. And now divide both sides. 16875 divided by 1,200. Let me see. It says the board round to 2 decimal places. And that would give us 14.06. It's actually 14.0625, so I round it to 2 decimal places.